Here are three different ways to type the @ symbol on your keyboard.
The most obvious and well-known one is Shift-2, using the number rows on the top of your keyboard. Using the number keypad on the side of your keyboard, if you have it, will do nothing at all. The next method, and this one might surprise you, is holding down Alt while tapping 6-4 on your number keypad on the side, and then as soon as you let go of Alt, your @ symbol appears. But if you don't have that number keypad on the side, hitting Alt 6-4 in the top row of numbers on your keyboard will not do anything. Alternatively, let's say you're using some external keyboard which is very limited, maybe only has letters, and you don't have access to the @ symbol, you can simply go to Start and search for Character Map. This will bring up all the characters there are on the keyboard, and the @ symbol is right there. What you do is select that character and then hit Select down here. That'll add it, and then you can copy it. And from here, simply hit Control V, and it'll be right there.